Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Wolverine V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to perform thumbstick calibration. To calibrate thumbsticks on your controller, let's go to RAZER app, select Profile, Edit, and go to Thumbstick Calibration. Run calibration, and here you can calibrate left controller, or right controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.